Hello, greetings to you and welcome back to this channel. This is live in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And where we are right now is called Zion City Estate. This estate is a very unique estate because of a lot of numerous activities going on around it. And I will show you some of these activities. Over here, if you look closely, you will see the International Convention Center. This is the ICC, International Convention Center in Awka. And this estate is situated right beside the International Convention Center. Look over here, you would see the national headquarters of All Progressive Grand Alliance, Awka. This is the regional headquarters of Awka office in Awka, right in Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. And this estate, the major entrance to this estate is facing the Awka's office. Okay, so it is very close to the road. It's not in a bush. This estate is in a build and buy area. Look around it. Look around it. You will see there are numerous houses all around this estate. You can see numerous houses springing up all around this estate. And if you look closely also, you will see that there is perimeter fencing already surrounding all the estate. You can see it for yourself. This estate has a perimeter fencing completely. All inch of this estate is being covered completely for security purposes. Also, as we speak right now, if you look around, you will see that the drainage system is already being put in place. Look at it. Every plot within this estate has a drainage surrounding it. You can see it for yourself. Every plot has a drainage surrounding it. You can see what it looks like already. So guys, if you have the means, I would advise you to come and get a land within this estate. It is genuine, government approved, and all of that. A plot here costs 56 million. Okay, a plot of land within this estate costs 56 million. 50 million for the land and 6 million for development levy. And as I'm talking to you right now, you will see a video where the payloader was working. Okay, they are already working on the road, and once they tar this road down, it's going to be tarred all through. All the roads within this estate is going to be tarred, and once it is tarred, the price is going to go up. So for our investors, if you want to invest in a land, and if you want to buy a land and build and live in a serene environment, a quiet place, a secure place, a livable place, I would advise you to come and get a land within this estate as soon as possible before the price will skyrocket. Okay, for now you can get it at 56 million, like I've told you already. 50 million for the land, 6 million for development levy. No hidden charges. No hidden charges. And then when they tar it, because they're going to tar this road within a week or so, by the time they tar this road, the price is going to go up to 70 million. So come now, rush down and get it. If you have the means, come and get it down and thank me later. Let me take you around the facility. Let me take you around this estate so that you see what the estate looks like. You can see the land is a table land already. The land has been tabled. All places that need to be filled have been filled. It's a table land. You can see it for yourself. A table land. Okay, it's not a waterlogged area. This estate is situated right at the express, close to the express, right in front of the express. It's in a built-up area already. Okay, if you look around, it's a built-up area, and even there's a house here that has been developed already within the estate. Let me take you close to you. See the house. There's a house that has been developed within the estate already, and as you can see, what is remaining in this building is already painting and furnishing within it. Yes, you can see it. What's remaining inside now is furnishing and painting. So work is going on massively within the Zion City Estate. If you have the means, please do yourself good to get a plot of land within this estate and thank me later. You get why. So guys, this estate is unique in the sense that it's not too massive. We have only 40 plots within this estate facility. It's only 40 plots here. Okay, and about 50 plots have gone. And if I tell you the caliber of men that paid for this land, you would understand what I'm talking about. It's not a regular kind of man. So the security in this estate is going to be top notch. So I advise you, if you want to live in a secure place, a livable place, a serene environment, a unique place on its own, do yourself good to get a plot of land within the Zion City Estate in Awka. Yes, it's very, very close to the express, Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. And as I showed you before now, that's the International Convention Center. You can see it there. Okay, and you can see the Awka office from here. And that's where the major entrance into the estate is facing. I will show you another entrance into this estate. Come, let me show them this entrance into this estate. They will see it for themselves. So it's a very genuine place, a unique place, and a very calm and quiet place. The kind of houses that you see around here are top-notch houses. You know, very solid buildings. Look at the one that's already been erected. You can see that it's already standing already. It's almost completed. Remaining painting and then furnishing within it. And now let me show you the kind of rod they are using to construct their drainage system within the estate. It's unlike those people that will use net and construct drainage, and before you know it, water would spoil it up. This one, they are using a thick rod, not your regular net. Look at it. They are using a thick rod to construct the drainage system, and you can see the thickness of this drainage. Okay, come here, come and show them here. Look at it. You can see the thickness of the drainage system. You can see it. It's very thick. So they are using quality materials to construct or to do this project. So if you are getting a property here, rest assured that it's a secure place and a solid environment, unique environment, safe environment, very importantly. And over here is the second entrance into the facility. So there's going to be a gate here. Okay, this place is going to be gated. Yes, you can see this place is going to be gated. So this is going to be the second entrance into the facility. This place is going to be gated completely. There is going to be a security post situated somewhere around this place by the time the project progressed massively. So get a property here and thank me later. Call the number on the screen to reach me for more inquiries. Thank you.